What's up is I'm here with yet another package. This video will be a little different because with this package I didn't order it. This was ordered for me as a late birthday present from, I want to say, either my mom or my older sister in California or her husband. But so one of those three. So I'm pretty excited to see what my late birthday present is. Just had my 22nd birthday last week. So yep, here we go. Okay, this is harder to open than I thought. There we go. Oh, hell yeah. First season of The Big Bang Theory. For a while now, I've wanted to get at least 1 or 2 seasons of this for Blu-ray. And I finally got this. Also, I think I know who it's from. My sister in California's husband. Because he asked me what I wanted for my birthday. And I told him 1 or 2 seasons of The Big Bang Theory for Blu-ray. So, yep. I fucking love this show. I couldn't find this online. It's not on Netflix, it's not on Hulu, and I can't really rent it on Amazon. I can only buy it. So I was just like, fuck it, I want to own it. Now I own at least 1 season of it. The first season. That's it for this video. Thank you who are watching this for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Sure to like, subscribe, check out other bits of broadcasts I have and will do, and see you later.